welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because we are finally giving this entire main floor an extreme room makeover. We're redesigning the living room, the dining room, it's gonna trickle into the kitchen. This entire main floor space is gonna look completely different. I really wanted to change everything up in here, have a whole new design, all new furniture, and really just give this entire space a whole new look because it's looking a little dark, a little drab, nothing really matches. So I would love to have a beautiful, well-designed space in here, and I think it's about time. Today's video is sponsored by Modsy, and I've partnered with Modsy to totally transform and redesign this entire space. Modsy is an amazing online interior design service that delivers highly realistic 3D designs of your exact space, filled with shoppable decor pieces, furniture pieces, so you can pretty much try on your furniture and decor before you buy it. And all you have to do to get started is measure out your space. So I just measured out all this living room space, the dining room space, and I took before pictures from every angle around the room. So all the sides, all the corners, so that the Modsy designers can throw it up in 3D and get the exact space. I also provided my Modsy designer with like a little floor plan just to show exactly where everything was, just because I have these little windows everywhere. I have a sliding door, a little pony wall, and I just wanted to really specify all the different measurements and exactly where things were so that when I ordered furniture, everything fits perfectly. So once I got all the measurements, the floor plan, and the before pictures to my Modsy designer, I could finally go ahead and start taking this style quiz. This style quiz really helped me hone in on a design. It takes you through all these different photos of interior spaces, and you kind of pinpoint which ones you like, which ones stand out to you, and they do the same thing for furniture as well. So you can really specify which furniture pieces you like, what style you like, and also what you don't like, which is really important as well, so you don't end up with things that you're not really loving. So after going through the quiz, my style results came in, and my style was rustic modern. And after reading the little details about it, it totally sounds like me. It's a little bit of mid-century, a little bit of rustic, a little bit of transitional. It's kind of like this whole mixture of different things. So I really feel like they nailed it on that. You can also let your Modsy designer know any specific things they need to know. Like I needed a comfortable couch. If we're getting rid of this big brown couch that's super comfortable but not very good looking, I needed a beautiful but comfortable couch to replace it. And I didn't want any crazy like heavy mounting because this is a rental space. I didn't want to damage any walls. You can also let your Modsy designer know what pieces you want to keep and not keep. Like I'm keeping the coffee table. I really like that coffee table, and I think we can really work it into the new design. And we're also keeping the media unit. So I gave all of that information over to the Modsy designer, and she came back really quickly with 2 design plans, and they were amazing. Honestly, you look at this rendering and you're like, am I in the space? It's so realistic looking. Everything was so exact. She came up with 2 different design plans, one that was more neutral and one that had a pop of color in it. So it kind of allows you to sit there and kind of go back and forth between them and really specify what things you like, what things you don't like. And Modsy has an amazing feature on it now that's a style editor and a live swap option. So you can kind of play around on your own time and really swap in and out pieces so that you can really customize your own look. It really makes it fun and easy to play around with the floor plan, put new pieces in, take pieces out, and really just like play around with the design. I was really kind of going after design 1 because it had all the neutral colors to it, but there were certain things that I wanted to switch up. I wanted to change up the sectional that she provided. I wanted to add a little accent chair, the living room layout just a little bit, and I wanted to get a new dining room table. So after spending some time on it, we went back and forth, and I ended up loving design 7. So going through the different designs that we came up with, you really see the design evolve and change into exactly what I want. I've never ordered furniture online. I've always been a little scared to do that. And this just totally reassured me that everything's gonna fit, it's all gonna look good together, and it's just so reassuring. So Modsy made it super easy for me to shop for all my decor and furniture pieces online. If I liked the item, I just added it to the cart and Modsy took it from there. And I shopped so many different retailers all under the same place, so that made it extra easy. All I had to do was just wait for the furniture pieces to show up on my doorstep. So if you guys really need some design help at your place, maybe you're redecorating or looking for some new furniture or really need help with a design layout, definitely check out Modsy. It will be super helpful. I'll leave the link to Modsy down below in the description box. And if you guys use my code KristenM, it will get you guys 20% off of your design package, not including the Luxe package. Okay, perfect, yeah. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, guys, West Elm just called and they're ready to deliver the sectional in the next 30 minutes. Today is officially the first day of this extreme room makeover, and I guess we're starting with the living room. We'll do everything in there and then work our way into the dining room once all that stuff arrives. So let's go ahead and clear out all our old stuff. Oh my gosh, they're here. The first piece just got in here. Oh my gosh, it looks so heavy. I feel so bad. But guys, look at the little sneak peek of the color. That is exactly what I wanted. I am so happy. They just brought some of the cushions in. Since it's so light, you know, I don't want to be like really scared to clean it. So every single cushion has this like zip off cover and you can literally put it in the washing machine. So that's why I went with the light color, because I could keep it clean. But I'm so excited. It's just gonna brighten up this entire space. Look how perfect this is. Oh my gosh, I love it. It fits perfectly. It fits exactly like we thought it was going to from the Modsy rendering. It came with so many cushions and it's cool because you can move them around. Doesn't it just brighten up this entire space? Now that the main piece of furniture is in, we're gonna start bringing in the rug. We can put back the coffee table, build our little side tables, start decorating a little bit. It already looks 100 times better. So time to bring in the rug. The rug is also from West Elm and it has a beautiful pattern, kind of like Aztec, kind of desert vibes, and I love the texture. I love the different colors. I think it was the perfect find. Wow. This is perfect. I love it. And it's so soft and it matches the couch and it matches everything. This was such a good idea. The legs of the sofa match perfectly with the coffee table, so I'm gonna bring the coffee table back in, and I think the shapes are gonna really work well together and just really warm up this space. Perfect. Wow, this seriously looks like a brand new table in here. I love how Modsy just incorporated my existing furniture into the design, and it looks like it all came together. This is just working out so well. Now it's time to bring in our little side chair. Wow, I actually really like this. It's super comfortable. I'm gonna cozy it up with some pillows and a throw blanket, but I love the look of this. I love that it's like reclined a bit, so it's actually really comfortable. And the fact that I can now see the entire couch if we have guests over, it's just so much better for conversation and entertaining. You also may notice that we are mixing some woods in here. I had all the existing dark wood and I really wanted to lighten it up and mix it up with some of this natural wood. And I think this looks very boho and it matches all of my little baskets and woven things. So I think it's really gonna lighten up the space and make it look a little brighter. So I'm almost done with the living room here and I just cannot believe the way it looks. I feel like I'm in someone else's house. It's incredible. It's like a hotel. It's so beautiful. It's almost too beautiful to touch. It is amazing and it's everything that I wanted. So I'm really happy right now. I'm gonna add all my little finishing touches around here to really complete the look. Next thing we have to do is work on the dining room, and right now it currently looks like this. So that's kind of a problem, but we'll fix it and we'll show you guys the whole reveal. It's day 2 of this extreme room makeover, and today we're working on the dining room where I'm sitting right now. We moved half of this brown couch downstairs into an extra room we have down there, but now we're left with 2 corner pieces and an ottoman. So we're actually donating these. Someone can turn it into a couch and it's actually really comfortable and I think they'll like it. So we're going to donate that right now and make room in here and get rid of all of this old stuff and make way for all the new things. Oh, this isn't bad, okay. looks heavier than it is.
Then it is!
Perfect! This is great! Okay, this is gonna be heavier, right?
Right, ready?
Yeah. Wait, put it down. Sorry, I just need to get it better.
Let me just carry it. Let me just carry it.
How are you holding it? Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, just go. Yeah, your grip doesn't have to be that wide.
Yeah,
Just grab it. Be like.
All right, so we finally have this whole dining room space all empty and it looks massive. I'm like, wow, I don't remember it being this big. So I'm really excited to start decorating with all the new Modsi furniture. It all got delivered and it's here and it's ready to be installed. So as you guys saw in the Modsi design plan, they suggested a rectangle table here. We landed on these really beautiful wishbone chairs and I'm so excited because it's gonna match the living room super well and it's also gonna really tie in the kitchen and just brighten up this whole space. So again, that's the main plan here. Make it look airy in here, kind of like modern, boho, rustic, traditional, whatever the theme is. It's a whole bunch of things and it's all beautiful. So anyways, let's get table building. I've hired Kristen to help me because he's been a big help today and has totally made this all come together. Let's go ahead and make Design 7 come to life. So we got the table in. It's so cool because it has this leaf piece that comes in and out. Now we have these dining chairs hiding behind the island. I love the way this looks because the table is so narrow and the chairs still create like this volume and this space around here, so not everything looks so skinny and like minimal. And again, it looks so good with the living room and it's all gonna look so amazing together. Now we're gonna switch out these bar stools, style up this area, and we gotta clean up all this as well. All right guys, we just finished this entire open concept living space and it's amazing. I can see it all from this angle over here and it's exactly what I wanted. It's so cool seeing this whole design come together from the 3D renderings, from our design plans, from the style quiz that I took on Modsi. It's incredible because it's exactly what I was looking for. So they really nailed it and I could not be happier. Anyways, you guys remember what it used to look like. Really dark, big furniture, nothing really went together. It definitely was not my style. So if you guys are excited to see this extreme makeover, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up right now and let's go ahead and check it out. Let me know down below what you guys think of this brand new space. Isn't it like so me? I love all the textures. There's so much texture going on in here. This living room is probably my favorite part of this entire room. I love how now it allows conversation. It gets more people in here being able to sit. I love that this little poop adds extra seating. You can kind of like have a games night around here. It really makes me excited to have people over now. And I feel like really proud of my home. And as you guys can see, Stu is obsessed with this chair. He has not moved since we put this chair in here. He loves it. I'm so happy that we added this side chair in here because that was part of the design evolution. We didn't have it in the first plan and I really wanted to add that in. It kind of changes up the floor plan a little bit and it's just so comfortable and pretty. That's really what I was going for. And then the dining room just like flows so well over here. And for some reason, we have a bigger table, but it totally opened up the space and it feels bigger in here. I love this table. It matches all the existing wood furniture pieces that we kept. And adding these bright white wishbone chairs in here with this beautiful woven texture on there matches our side chair in the living room. They're also super comfortable. Like they have a back, they got armrests, and I feel like it kind of hugs you, so I really, really love these. It also goes really well with my existing mirror that was here. I love that the design that Monty created really incorporated my pieces really well and made it all work amazingly. And love our new additions to the kitchen. I just really kind of tied together the entire look and pushed it this way with new bar stools that really accent our pillows well and just little details everywhere to kind of pull this whole thing together. Anyways, it has been amazing partnering with Monty on this makeover. They really helped me. I loved having a second opinion on everything. I loved having the design advice and being able to visually see everything before I went ahead and bought it. So it was so reassuring that it was all gonna work out and it totally did. So I'm just so happy with the results. I know you guys would love the Monty service. If you guys want to try it out for yourself, if you have any redecorating to do, if you need help with your floor plans or want to get all new furniture, definitely check out Monty. I'll leave the link to Monty down below in the description box. And if you guys use my discount code KristenM, it will get you guys 20% off of your design package. So thank you so much, Monty, for making my dream house come to life. I can't wait to do so many more makeovers. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future makeovers. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned on so you never miss an upcoming video. If you enjoyed watching today's video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And please let me know down below what your favorite part of this room was. I'm gonna say mine's the living room because it's such a drastic difference, but please let me know down below what your favorite part was. Love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.